So let's check out another intermediate tune to get us to the top of the mountain tonight before we start doing some more familiar things. But I wanted to arrange this one because I've loved this song all my life, Land of Confusion. And it has three different strumming patterns. So let's take a look. We have, in this tune, island strum. And then in the second section, we have rapid down strums. All right, and I'll demo that in a second. Then after that, we have broken island strum. It's down, down on E minor, up, up, down, up on C. So there's actually two slashes there. I don't know why I have that. Let me just fix that. Up, up, down, up. Yeah, that's what we want. We want down, down, up, down, up on the broken island strum. One of those is sort of like two chords. So we would have a down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So we would go E minor, C, D, B minor. So those are the three strumming patterns. Now, when we have the intro with the A and A minor phrase, you could play island strum or you could play down strums. It depends on how you want it to feel. Because the original one has a bass line that's like bum 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 bum. So if you want a down strum, that's a little bit rockier, but you could equally do it on an island strum. If I was going to ensemble this song, I would have another group playing that part, the bass line. But for now, since we're on our own, you can take your pick. Now, it says X2 each this time, E minor, A, and D. So it'll be E minor, and A, etc. Then we have rapid down strums. This is a fun part to play because it sort of follows the vocal. There isn't really a set number of times you have to strum each one, as long as it follows along with the vocal, like so. There's too many men, too many people making too many problems, and not much love to go round. So I'm kind of just jamming along with the vocal and changing chords when I get to the next note in the vocal line. Can't you see this is a land of confusion? And then when we get to the chorus, we add our broken island strum. This is the world we live in, and these are the hands we're given. And the backup vocals, I can't sing at the same time, but it's oh, oh, right? So to be, this is the world we live in, oh, right? And these are the hands we're given. So those are the three different patterns. And we just go back and forth between those patterns throughout the whole thing. The bridge at the end, we island strum C and D, and it would sound like this. Like so long ago, one island strum each, and then some island strummed E minors, and then back to island down strums, broken island strums. So they really give us a lot to work with in that song. Now, when we get to the outro, it's got a cool ending. It ends just like the beginning, but check it out. We have so we have chugga chugga down down for our dee 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 e. So if you can go down up down up down, right? Down up down up down down, down up down up down down. That's a fun little ending you can add to it. Or if that's too tricky, you can you can kind of play around with what rhythm feels more comfortable to you. So I hope that that's fairly clear in terms of the guided part before we actually play the song. And I guarantee you, once you try this a few times, it's a lot of fun to play. It's a lot of fun in a group if you can add some extra lead parts or some backup vocals. And as I mentioned, as we sing through, the lyrics are very meaningful in terms of today's political atmosphere. So let's try it out, okay? Land of Confusion, Genesis, awesome song. Great video with the spitting image puppets, which you should check out. All right, here we go. Trying from the intro, down strum or island strum. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I must have dreamed 1,000 dreams, been haunted by a million screams, but I can hear the marching feet. They're moving into the street. Now did you read the news today? They say the danger's gone away, but I can see the fire's still alight. They're burning into the night. There's too many men, too many people, making too many problems, and not much love to go round. Can't you see this is a land of confusion? This is the world we live in, and these are the hands we're given. Use them and let's start trying to make it a place worth living in. Oh, Superman, where are you now? When everything's gone wrong somehow, the men of steel, the men of power, are losing control by the hour. This is the time, this is the place, so we look for the future, but there's not much love to go round. Tell me why this is the land of confusion, and this is the world we live in. These are the hands we're given. Use them and let's start trying to make it a place worth living in. Like so long ago. In the song it's going ba da 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 da. Generation will put it right. We're not just making promises that we know we'll never keep. There's too many men, too many people, making too many problems, and not much love to go round. Can't you see this a land of confusion? And one more time. This is the world we live in, and these are the hands we're given. Use them and let's start trying to make it a place worth fighting for. This is the world we live in, and these are the names we're given. Stand up and let's start showing just where our lives are going to. Big ending, here we go. Yeah, that is Land of Confusion. A great song to jam. Lots of strumming patterns, lots of different things going on. And again, it can be one that you sort of go back to and use it to try to practice those different strumming patterns. So we had island strum, pomp, as well as broken island strum. So that's an intermediate, definitely an intermediate piece. It has intros, outros, it has breaks, it has a big bridge in the middle of it with a breakdown and a turnaround. So like that is a prog rock song, progressive rock. The idea was to make a rock song that went further than a regular rock song would have done. Now, it's interesting that In Phil Collins' later career, after he left Genesis, he started to play a lot more back to basic stuff. He started to play 4 chord progressions and maybe remembering the joy of music that was a little bit less complex to play. So a lot of his biggest hits in the last 3 songs we're going to look at have very simple chord progressions, but the feeling and the meaning go very deep in the songs. It's a little less scientific and a little bit more emotive. And that's what I love about Phil Collins' career, was that he started off very intellectual, very mathematical. And then later in his career, he ended up moving more toward the heart than the mind, right? And that's why I've always thought he was a fascinating artist. So